The world of graphic design is more saturated than it's ever been before, with millions of designers, logo design, artificial intelligence, and countless template websites. So, how can you stand out from the crowd as a graphic designer? Tune in today to find out the tips in doing just that for your graphic design career. Now, the first way to stand out is to be slightly quirky, and that means just being a little bit odd or just being a little bit different, but in a good way. Everybody's going to turn their heads to see this clown walking down the street. But how does this apply to graphic design and your career? Now, you make a start with your title, because many designers use their actual names as their brand, and this is totally fine if it's done correctly. But you can come up with something really more memorable and fun and more quirky. Case in point, my Satori graphics brand. The word Satori makes, it invokes interest and intrigue in people, and also it's memorable too. Other brands such as Template Monster have added the word monster into their brand name to give it just that extra bit of edge of memorability, and also these quirky techniques stick in the minds of the people, and they do help to make you stand out in the field of graphic design, but you must choose wisely because it needs to be relevant to your business and your career, and also of course you as yourself. And this next one is crucial, and before you enter into the field of graphic design, you should understand who you're selling your services and your artwork to. Now, would a used car salesman go and try and sell a cheap, beat up pickup truck to a millionaire? Nope, of course he's not going to do that because it's a waste of time and effort. A millionaire is not going to buy a pickup truck when they can afford to buy a Mercedes or, an Aston Martin or something. You need to know your skills and your passion within design and then target those skills at the right people. Pretty much as simple as that. Understand your target market and then you can stand out within that niche itself. So this next point seems a little bit harsh on yourself as a designer in terms of time, but I feel it's important to push a large quantity of your time and your energy into something very specific. Pretty much each successful designer does this, and it could be that you spend time every single day creating specific content for social media, or maybe you're that designer who's always following up with clients to see how they're doing, asking them about their past projects. Or maybe you're known as a designer who over-delivers on what they actually offer. But find something that you can be known for, something very specific that people will instantly recall back to you as yourself. This is something clients can rely on, and it's also really memorable to everyone else. Now, this next point is sort of a grey area, and it's a personal preference to an extent. But yeah, just use social media for business, have a business account across the board of all platforms, set aside from your private social media accounts. However, do add a touch of personality to your business accounts. So maybe just take a selfie of yourself with your work, or make a gif of you creating something, or maybe just a picture of you headed on a trip somewhere. But do add a touch of personality to some of your business posts. And I do say some because you don't want to overdo it on a business account and you don't want to seem like a narcissist. It's your business, it's not a place to show off your life. And yes, of course, themes. You're going to want to have a super established theme throughout your entire graphic design career, from social media, to your logo, to email newsletters, to everything in your business that needs a theme. Now, it could be a choice of color, it could be a style of layout, use of shape. There's so much potential there for, a theme for your graphic design career, but you really do need to try and establish a theme that works for you and your business. Please do take notes from today's video, work on them and implement them into your graphic design career. I've got longer content coming this week. Today's video is pretty short, but it's useful. If you actually apply these points to your graphic design career, I'm pretty sure you're going to get a lot more recognition, you're going to stand out more, and you're going to get more clients in the process. There's no use being that designer who's, copying the same style, the same layout, the same social media artwork page that blends into an ocean of just designers and creators. You need to stand out for the right reasons. But yeah, I'm Tom Satori. I hope you have a great day, and until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.